Hi, this is Ami and I'm back with WPSchoolPress, and this tutorial will teach you how to add student and parent to WPSchoolPress. So, I'm going to students, and here what I get is the list of students which I have imported from demo data, and I'm going to add a new student, and then I am making it as a test student. So this data is just for video tutorial. That's why I am inserting data like this, and I'm going to have a username test student. With the help of username and password, any student can sign in to their account. And I'm choosing a profile photo which is mandatory. Alright. Okay, I am going to insert parent detail, and then alright, so here are the details which I have inserted for registering a student and a parent. I'm submitting it. Okay, I failed to insert roll number, which is mandatory. Okay, I'm giving it a roll number 001. There you go. So I have registered a student named test student which has a parent named test parent. And if I want to view student, I'm going to click here, and here's the details which I get of student and parent. And if I want to edit few details of student or parent, I'm going here. And then if I'm editing name, let's say test 1, and if I'm editing address, let's say test street 2, and let's edit parents detail too, test parent 2. Okay, let's change profile photo. Okay. Alright, so here's what I have made few changes, and I'm updating it. Let's see what I get. I have made changes, and here's are the changes, and see, I have changed the profile photo, and here's what's the photo which I'm getting. Alright, so this tutorial taught you to add and registered student and parent, as well as how to edit both. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.